This is an instructional video on how to use an impact driver. And we're going to be taught today by Sean Patrick. And how old are you, Sean?
3.
You're 3, okay. Can you show us how to put those screws in?
I show it. Damn. I'll be down in a second.
Okay. All right. So, good job. All right, can you show us how to take them out?
Sure.
Just tell the people, what did you have to do? You had to push the what?
Push the button. You do it.
No, wait. You remember you have to put pressure on it. Try it again. Put some pressure.
No.
Okay.